Hi everybody, Tim here with Heritage Air Services. Too many HVAC companies throw around fancy parts names and complicated diagnostic terms, which can confuse homeowners. Here at Heritage Air, we're different. We are a repair first company and we believe you should understand exactly what's going on in your home. So in this video series, I'm going to take the mystery out of HVAC. No scare tactics, no confusion, no upselling, just simple, honest explanations. Because when you understand the system, you make better decisions, and that is the Heritage Air way. Let's start with the compressor. The compressor is basically the engine of your air conditioner. Its job is to keep the refrigerant moving and squeezing it into a high pressure, high temperature gas. That process is what allows your system to pull heat out of your home and release it outside. If the compressor isn't working, the refrigerant can't circulate and heat can't be removed, so the system can't cool. Just like a car won't run without an engine, an air conditioner can't cool without a working compressor. Call Heritage Air for a free second opinion, no pressure, no gimmicks, just clarity, honest, and the repair first approach we're known for. Call Heritage Air, you'll be glad you did.